Hey guys, I just wanted to make you a quick video to show you how to check your answers today on Desmos. In the previous video we talked about solving quadratic equations. And on your assignment page they give you this nice little example here. So they have 2x squared plus x equals 15. They set the equation equal to 0. They factored it, 2x minus 5, x plus 3. They use slide and divide. You can always rewrite and group it. They didn't really show you that process, but that's what's happening. And then they found the two zeros by setting each factor equal to 0, right? So just like we did in the previous video. So they get x is -3 and x is equal to 5/2, okay? So they're checking their solutions by actually substituting the numbers back in, which totally works. But you guys have your devices, so it makes more sense for us to use the graph app, Desmos, to our benefit, right? So remember that equation, 2x squared plus x equals 15. So without making any changes to it, I'm going to go into Desmos. And I'm going to type that in. So 2x squared plus x equals 15. Okay, so I didn't write the equation when it was set equal to 0. You totally could, but in the off chance that I made a mistake when I did that, I'm putting in the original answer or original problem. Okay, and then we talked about in the last video that the solutions to your quadratic function are the x-intercepts, right? So right now we see two straight lines, but I'm going to show you if I zoom a bit here. Or maybe not. Okay, well, I guess they're showing you the two answers. But anyway, I'll show you how to get a parabola in a second. So you can see that the graph is crossing at -3 and at 2.5, which is exactly what we got for solutions, -3. And 5/2 is the same as 2.5. If you want to see the parabola, then we don't want that equal sign, so I could put in 2x squared plus x minus 15, okay? Now I have to zoom back in because I misspoke earlier. And you can see the actual parabola that we would get here, and all this is your equation when it's set equal to 0. It's still crossing at those same two places, -3 and 2.5. The red lines are they're straight vertical lines showing you what the solutions would be, but without the equal sign, we actually get the parabola, or we could set it equal to y if we wanted to get the parabola. And that shows us what the graph is. We know a is positive, 2 is positive, so it's facing up, and there are my two zeros. Okay? So when you're doing this assignment,